Hi, I'm Betsy Wentz. Welcome to Rabbit Hill. So really what interested me in taking this project primarily is the clients. They're lovely people, and that said, there were many challenges. Everything was painted brown. One of our biggest challenges was sort of deciding on a color palette and how we were going to work with that. So our first decision was we treated a lot of the walls with commercial grade vinyl to recover the beautiful look. A lot of the walls have these gorgeous rounded edges and there were cracks running through them, and so paint really is not going to get that no matter how much repair work you do. My favorite room in this house is probably the study. It's so dramatic and so beautiful. There's tons of sunlight in there, chunky white woodwork, so it really jumped. The artwork in here is really phenomenal, and each piece is really special. So we were careful to select fabrics, wall coverings, and pieces that really worked with that. We recovered this sofa, which existed. He really loved it and it was comfortable, so we decided just to recover it with this awesome tribal fabric. So ironically, the room that I probably spent the least amount of time working on ended up being my favorite. They had all of this beautiful artwork hanging all over the hall, and I knew that we'd be able to use those and incorporate them into our designs. So this is the living room of the house. We used this fantastic drapery in here. This was kind of the lead in the room. It had all of the colors of the artwork that the clients wanted to use in the room, and she just fell in love with the print, so we kind of started there. So this is kind of where the original redesign of the house began. We had a leaky dishwasher, which led to the decision to remodel the kitchen, which really led to all the other rooms being done. And we did this fantastic backsplash over here, which is one of my very favorite elements in the house, this glass. And we ran it vertically, which I think looks really cool. And moving in here, we have the family room. We wanted it to be seamless with the kitchen so that it felt like one space. And the husband really wanted a sculptural light fixture in here. So we ended up with this, which I think really turned out well. We wanted it to be classic, but a little bit transitional, and I think it really does the job and lights up the space and makes it feel cozy. This project was a really seamless one. The homeowners were delightful to work with and made decisions really promptly, which helps. I did worry a little bit about whether they'd be happy with the end result because we took a lot of risks in this house. I was so delighted when they walked in and saw the finished product, particularly to see the look on his face and how happy he was, because that is one of the great joys of doing this, is being able to see how happy people are when they see the finished product.